Hi everybody and welcome back to today's ChinesePod lesson. My name is Joe.
Hi, 很高兴又与大家见面了。我是庆林，欢迎来到中文播客。
Today we are going to talk about abilities. So Qingling, how do we say to be able to do something in Chinese?
会
So that's a verb, 会, forced tone, and it means to be able to do something or to be capable of doing something. And the dialogue is about cooking. How do we say cooking in Chinese?
做菜
So two forced tones together as well. So when you know this already, you will probably be able to get a good part of the dialogue. So let's check it out.
你会做菜吗？
会一点，你呢？
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。你会做菜吗？
会一点，你呢？
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。你会做菜吗？
会一点，你呢？
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。
After listening to this dialogue, let's break it down line by line.
你会做菜吗？
Are you able to cook?
你会做菜吗？
Can you cook?
你会做菜吗？会一点，你呢？
A bit. And you?
会一点，你呢？
A bit. And you?
会一点，你呢？我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。
I'm very good at cooking. I'll cook for you next time.
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。
I'm very good at cooking. I'll cook for you next time.
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。
So you've just learned the words for be able to and cooking. Those were
会做菜，会做菜。
And with this, the first sentence or the first question should be rather easy to understand because it's simply you can or able to, then cook, and then there's a question particle in the end. So how's the whole question again?
你会做菜吗？
And if you left out that ma in the end, the whole thing would just be a statement instead. How would that sound?
你会做菜。
So this would just be you can cook. Not a question, just a statement. Okay, let's talk about the 会 here a little bit more in detail. 会 is a modal auxiliary verb. So similar as in English, you can just pair it up with other verb combinations to say that you are able to do something or that you can do something. So maybe let's try a little bit and I want to check whether or not you can do some things.
好啊。
Okay.
哦，我会用电脑，会用电脑。
你会用电脑吗？
我会用电脑。
Okay. Good.
哦，我会拍照，
拍照。
会拍照。
Okay, I have something else. Can you play poker?
我不会玩扑克牌。
Okay. Then maybe let's go for a meal or something. Like, can you read the menu?
哦，我会看菜单，会看菜单。
So this question is quite common actually, because when you go out in China for lunch or dinner or whatever with friends and they'll ask you like, do you understand? They may just ask you, 你会看菜单？
我会看菜单。
我也会。Okay. Something else that you may have to understand, although we all use cell phones, but there are maps anywhere, right? So,
我不会看地图。
oh, okay. So then the cell phone for you. Okay. Another thing you can watch. Do you understand this one?
哦，我会看时间。
And yeah, you may think that's a weird question, but actually there are so many people already that do not understand this kind of clock anymore because they all use cell phones and everything. Same thing with the map, actually. What about this one here? Can you draw?
我会画画，画画。
Good. I got you another one. Wait. Can you? Okay, I'll try to make it dance. Can you dance?
我不会跳舞。
And maybe even ballet? Yeah, looks kind of ballet-ish.
芭蕾舞，我不会。
我也不会. Okay. And what about this? This you probably know.
哦，我会化妆。
我不会. So as you can see, you can put a lot of things after this 会. Like whatever you can do, you can put it after 会. And of course, this can be like abstract things as well. So I could ask you, 你会说英文吗?
我不会说英文，你会说中文吗？
我会说中文，会一点点。
哦，会一点。
So in our answers, you hear already what we found in the dialogue as well. This 一点, which is a little bit or a bit, and together with 会, it just means that you can do something a bit. And you heard already that I say it 一点点, and what did you say?
一点。
Exactly. So those are two different versions already, and you may even find other ones. For example, another very common is
一点儿，
一点儿.
会一点儿。
So there's different ways of saying it, but they all mean just the same, a bit. So have you ever heard 一点点点?
没有。
So that would be a little bit too much. Okay. This answer then in the dialogue was followed by and you. How do we say that in Chinese?
你呢？
So this is a very common question as well. If you just want to return the question you've just been asked, you can just say
你呢？
and you. Okay. So I could, for example, say 你会跳舞吗?
会一点点。你呢？
我很会.
哇哦！
Like I'm very good at it. And this was the answer in the next part of the dialogue as well. 我很会.
我很会。
So 很 means very. So very and be able to is to do something very good, to be very good at something. So then the person in the dialogue says that he is very good at cooking.
我很会做菜。
But sometimes you should not take Chinese at its face value because things can mean slightly different things. So I have this one experience where a friend of mine says, oh yeah, I can cook a little bit.
做菜我会一点点。
And then you get to his place and you're like, oh my god, there's so many tasty dishes. Yeah, so
这
many.
么多，那你的朋友很会做菜，不是一点点。
Yeah, that's definitely not 一点点, that's 很会. Okay, so if somebody really is very good at cooking and wants to show you, he might invite you. And that's what happens here in the dialogue as well. So the person in the dialogue then says,
下次做给你吃。
So here we have the word 下次, which is next time. And this is very common and you will hear that very often. But then the words after that gets a little bit more complicated because we have actually 3 verbs there, right?
做给你吃。
So we have 做, this is to make something, 做菜. Then the next one,
给
给, to give. And the last one was
吃。
eat. So 3 verbs together. So that's a little bit difficult. But it means just together, I'll make it for you. So this for you comes from 给你. because we have this 给你, and it just means the direction of an action or something. So it does not necessarily have to mean give you every time you see this 给你. It can just mean the direction, like to you, or just be the indirect object of the sentence as well. Okay, but here we have 做, then 给你 to you, and then 吃. So like I'm making it so that you can eat, I'm making it for you to eat, something like that. And we can practice this maybe with some other examples. For example, I said I'm very good at dancing, right?
对，
How would we say that again?
你很会跳舞。
Yeah. So if I wanted to say that I want to invite you or just want to show it to you, how would I say this?
跳给你看。
So same thing here. 跳 is to dance, a short form of it. And then 看 is to see. And 给你 is again for you. So I'll show it to you. What else could I show? If I'm very good at singing, I won't say I am. 我会一点点. Okay, but how would I say this if I wanted to like perform for you, like a singing song?
唱歌我会一点，我要唱给你听。
So same here. 唱 to sing and 听 to listen. So like I'll sing for you to listen.
唱给你听。
So now that you've learned all this, let's check out the dialogue again.
你会做菜吗？
会一点，你呢？
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。你会做菜吗？
会一点，你呢？
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。你会做菜吗？
会一点，你呢？
我很会做菜，下次做给你吃。
So me as a German, I would probably, after receiving such an invitation, already go like, oh, when? 什么时候?
什么时候？
Well, you said 下次, so when?
下次啊，就下次。再说。
Okay, so this would be another example where you should not take things at a face value, because this 下次 is very unspecific in time. So especially when a person is like 下次,
下次啊。
then it could maybe mean that this might never happen, or there's no real willingness to do this. Similar to when we say, oh, we should hang out sometimes, but you know, okay, that will never happen. So you should keep these cultural differences in mind when you talk about your abilities and your commitment, of course. So to wrap it up, today we learned how you can say that you're able to do something,
会
how you can say that you're not able to do something,
不会
how you can say that you can do something a little bit,
会一点，会一点点，会一点儿。
so many different ways you may hear this one, and how you can say that you are very good at something.
很会。
So now that you know how to express that you can do something, you can share with the world and maybe with us as well, like what you're able to do, what you're not as good as, and just leave it in the comments below. If you have any other questions on what we've discussed today, of course, just ask them and we will get back to you. So that's from us today. My name is Joe.
我是庆林，下次见。
And this 下次 is definitely the next time. So, see you next time.
拜
Bye-bye.
拜。
Now, here's a vocabulary recap.
会
To be able to do something.
做菜，
To cook.
一点，
A bit.
下次。
Next time.
Introducing ChinesePod Recap, the app with fast summary lessons. How much time do you have? Join us in the beta program. For more info, go to ChinesePod.com/recap.